Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And number series naman po tayo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. Usually, 1 to 15 items po per exam ang mga ganitong problem. Okay, so let's solve and analyze this one. What is the next number in the following series? 3, 15, 35, 63. Bago natin sagutan yan, sa lahat pa rin po na naghanap po ng Civil Service Exam Reviewer, updated and latest, message us on our Facebook page. Meron po kaming soft and hard copy. Okay, so pag number series, always remember na mayroon at mayroon po yung pattern. Wag na wag po kayong sasagot pag hindi nyo po nakuha yung pattern. Kasi basically, 20% lamang po ang chance ninyo na makuha yung tamang sagot. Okay. So, dito sa ating number, mapapansin po ninyo na nag-i-increase po siya. So, tingnan natin yung pattern. So, 3 to 15, nag-increase po ng 12. So, dito, 15 to 35, nag-increase ng 20. 35 to 63, nag-increase to 28. Anong mapapansin ninyo? Doon sa pinag-increasean, nag-increase ng 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. Dito din naman, 20 plus 8 is 28. So, ito po yung pattern natin. Itong 28, pag nag-add ka ng 8, magiging 36. So, hinahanap dito yung next number. So, 63 plus 36 is equal to 99. Therefore, the answer here is letter B, 99. So, I hope you got this one. And follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!